How to install PowerPoint. Click on this link, free online, slide, presentation, PowerPoint, Microsoft 365. For free. We are gonna use this email, which is a temporary email. I'm just gonna paste it in right here. We're gonna make a code that we're gonna use, and again we're never gonna use this again because it's a demo. Let's click next. I'm gonna choose a name. This is not my real name. I'm just gonna choose like, and again continue. I'm not gonna use my real birthday. For anyone who thinks I'm going to, I'm just gonna choose a random year. And then you need to check your email because you've got a code. You need to confirm 1 then 80. I think this, so let's click on next. So now we just need to wait. And right here, you need to check are we not a robot? Is what it's saying. If you enjoyed the video so far, remember to like and subscribe, right? See here, part 2. Bye.